Hey, we're going to go over section 4.5, quadratic equations, and the objective to solve by factoring and by graphing. This video will only cover the factoring portion. A zero of the function is wherever the graph intersects the x-axis. The zero product property, if you have two things that equal zero when you multiply, then one or both of them have to equal zero. We're going to use that zero product property when we solve by factoring. So problem 1, what are the solutions of the quadratic equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0? So what we're looking at is we need factors of 6 that add up to negative 5. So if we do a little table off to the side, we need factors of 6 that add to 5, to negative 5. So when I'm looking at it, if I have a positive 6 factors, I need 2 positives or 2 negatives. Since the middle one is negative, I'm going to choose 2 negative numbers. So the factors of 6, negative 1 times negative 6. I have negative 2 times negative 3. When I add negative 1 and negative 6 together, I get negative 7. That is not the one. When I add negative 2 and negative 3 together, that's negative 5. That is the one. So my factors are x minus 2 times x minus 3. It equals 0. Now we use the zero product property. X minus 2 equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. X equals 2. X equals 3. Now, if you're ever wondering if you got it right, you can always plug it into the equation and check it. Two squared minus 5 times 2 plus 6 should equal 0. Here we have 4 minus 10 plus 6 equals 0. 4 minus 10 would be negative 6, and negative 6 plus 6 does equal 0. So this one works. 3 squared minus 5 times 3 plus 6 equals 0. 9 minus 15 plus 6 equals 0. Negative 6 plus 6 does equal 0. So both of our answers work. Here's a second one. This time, notice that the negative 12 is on the right side. Whenever you're trying to solve by factoring, everything needs to be on the same side. So I'm going to add 12 to both sides so that everything is on the left. So x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. So this time I need factors of positive 12 that add up to negative 7. So factors of positive 12 that add up to a negative 7. Again, it's a positive factor of 12, so I need 2 positives or 2 negatives. This time, since that middle term is negative, I'm going to choose the 2 negatives once again. So I have negative 1 times negative 12. I can do negative 2 times negative 6, or I can do negative 3 times negative 4. The one that adds up to negative 7 is the last one. The first one adds up to negative 13. The second one adds up to negative 8. So this is the one we want. X minus 3 times x minus 4. Those equal 0. Zero product property. X minus 3 equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0. And when you solve each one, you get 3 and 4. Again, to check them, plug it into the original equation. 3 squared minus 7 times 3 should equal negative 12. 9 minus 21 equals negative 12. And negative 12 does equal negative 12. So this one works. When you plug in the 4, you get 4 squared minus 7 times 4 equals negative 12. 16 minus 28 equals negative 12. And yes, negative 12 does equal negative 12. The 4 does work as well. The using tables portion, we use the calculators. At this time, I'm not going to put that on the video.